Friends, I am Dr. Mukesh G. Bhatt. I am a dermatologist and a skin specialist and a cosmetologist having laser facilities at my clinics at Anand and Dakor. I have all the lasers. I have diode laser, I have CO2 laser, I have the IPL, I have the Nd:YAG laser, and I have the UVB therapy, UVB lamps, UVA lamps, all those things, and I cater to all these patients at my Anand and Dakor clinics in Gujarat, India. Friends, today I am appearing before you to talk to you about the present situation of Corona, which is very, very shocking and heartbreaking. The second wave, which is there in Gujarat and almost all over in India, is a very bad thing which has happened to us. And you have to take ample care. But keep in mind that all those doctors who had their vaccination completed, all the 2 doses completed some 20-30 days back, amongst those doctors, none of them have contracted COVID. Or even if those 10% have contracted COVID-19 infection, they have not been hospitalized, or hardly 1% have been hospitalized, but they have not gone into serious complications at all, and they have recovered very well. So the recovery rate is 100% amongst those 10% who fell ill after receiving both the doses of COVID vaccination, Covishield and Covaxin. So the vaccines are good and they provide immunity to you. Everyone should go for vaccination. It's very important. Please understand that contact your doctor. Whatever problems you have, whether you have heart problems or blood pressure problems or diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes, contact your doctor and get your vaccination done. That's very much important. So this is about this thing. But that does not mean that you cannot visit your skin specialist or cosmetologist. I, Dr. Mukesh Bhatt, I am seeing all the patients over here, and if you maintain the proper distance and if you have a sanitizer with you and if you are wearing a mask, you can visit your doctor. But be careful. Tell him about your present health condition. You must not have cough, you must not have fever, you must not have body ache, you must not have body weakness. These are all the different signs. You can have diarrhea also this time. Gastrointestinal symptoms. This could be COVID-19. Tell your doctor so that he can take adequate precautions. And if you have all these symptoms, please do not get yourself treated by lasers or other cosmetic procedures. So you have to inform your doctor for that. That is very much important. If you have blood pressure or if you have diabetes mellitus, you should get it well under control. Take the proper drugs and get yourself vaccinated. So friends, you need not worry, but don't move about. Take care of yourself, build up your immunity, take proper sleep, take proper diet, and I think we'll soon pass this COVID flare-up. We have a lot of medications available, but if your score of HRCT is below 10, if your CT cycle is above 24, you need not worry. Even with simple paracetamol and antihistaminic drugs, you can recover very well. You don't need remdesivir injections or tocilizumab or any other costly medicines. You don't need those. Yes, sometimes when you have the cytokine storm, you may need steroids, you may need remdesivir. They have to be started early, but let your doctor decide. And do not rush or do not stock any drugs with you. And don't take drugs directly from the medical stores. It's harmful to you. You do not know the side effects of those drugs, and this can harm you very much. Friends, this is a short talk which I wanted to tell to you that this time will also pass out, and cooperate with the government and cooperate with the doctors, cooperate with the police, and with this cooperation we shall soon pass this COVID-19 second outbreak. Thank you very much.